Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process, really simple way how you can add work and school account to your Microsoft app. So this video is pretty straightforward, so if it's going to help you, write down below in the comments that it helped you for other people to download too. Go to bottom. Next to the search is going to be a start button. Right click on it. Under Task Manager you're going to see settings, click on it. Then under apps, you're going to see account. Then under your info is going to be email and account. And here you're going to have add a work or school account. And this is pretty much how we do it. Then you just like add email and everything. And this is how we can add work and school accounts to your Microsoft Windows 11 app. So thank you very much guys for watching. And have a great day. And goodbye. See ya.